Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, I'm going to look at how to deal with this error that says something went wrong. Please try again later, playback ID, and it gives you to support to send a report. This happens with YouTube. It doesn't matter the TV. In this particular case, it's a TCL TV. And as you can see here, the error that's seen on screen. And I'm going to show you to fix it, alright? So the first thing you need to do, guys, with any error is to go ahead. They are asking you to submit a report. I'm gonna hit back. Sometimes you can actually refresh. So if we hit back, you'll notice that we're having nothing is loading. The internet is working fine. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna try to play something. So anything at all. And we're seeing this loading circle. And it simply doesn't move. All right, so that's the problem that we're getting, that continuous circle. We're seeing everything on screen being blank. All right, so the first thing you want to do in cases like this is to go ahead and go back to the home screen. All right, so first of all, power cycle the TV. So press and hold the power button and shut down the TV itself. And of course, it could be that the TV is having problems with, our YouTube itself is having problems. The cases could be that YouTube is having a server issue. So that's one, but that's highly unlikely in most cases. If it's having issues, you should check your other devices, such as your phone. If you're getting a similar or error in general, it usually mean that YouTube is down, but I highly doubt that. So we'll reboot the TV. I may skip sections of this. Alright, so as you can see here, what we're going to do next is we're going to go back to YouTube after a full reboot. So we're going back to YouTube. Alright, here we go again. Alright, so as you can see, the TV is back up and everything is working. So the reboot was able to refresh the system. If that didn't work, I suggest that you reboot your router that's providing your internet. You can also clear the cache for YouTube. So this is an additional step in case it did not work. Mine is now currently fixed with that problem. So I'm going to go to quick settings. You're going to go to all settings. And from all settings, you're going to go to apps. In apps, you're going to go to YouTube. So as you can see here, YouTube. Then you can go ahead and you're going to clear cache. All right, so you can clear cache and hit OK and go ahead and relaunch YouTube. If that doesn't work, I suggest that you come in here and clear data, but do be warned, do not clear data unless you first clear cache and go back to YouTube to try to see if everything is okay. When you clear data, you'll have to log back into your YouTube account most likely, so bear that in mind. So before doing clear data, if YouTube after signing back in doesn't work, I suggest that you reinstall the application. But if you do all of those things, it should work, as mine is back up and it's fully functional again. And there we go, we're getting YouTube. I don't want to play anything to get a copyright strike, but it's now fixed. Hope this was useful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.